As down the glen came McAlpine's men, with their shovels slung behind them. 'Twas in the pub that they drank their sub, and up in the spike you'll find them. They sweated blood, and they washed down mud, with pints and a quarts of beer. And now we're on the road again, with McAlpine's Fusiliers. I'm stripped to the skin with darky flint, way down upon the Isle of Grain. With horse-faced tool, then I knew the rule, no money if you stop for rain. McAlpine's God was a well-filled hod, your shoulders put a bit and sneered. And woe to he who went to look for tea with McAlpine's Fusiliers. I remember the day that the Mayor of Sheahan fell into a concrete stair. What Horseface said when he saw him dead, well, it wasn't what the rich called prayers. I'm a nabby short was the watery torch that reached on to my ears. When the going is rough, well, you must be tough with McAlpine's Fusiliers. I've worked till the sweat has had me bet with Russian check and pole. And shuttering jams up in the hydro dams or underneath the Thames in a hole. I've grafted hard and I've got me card, and many a ganger's missed across me ears. If you pride your life, don't join, by God, with